In a world where hopium and common sense collide, starring the CryptoKeeper and BlockchainCrusader. Welcome to Debate Crypto.
Question everything, trust nothing. It's your boy BlockchainCrusader here at Debate Crypto, guys. How's everybody's Monday night going? Appreciate every single one of you guys showing up here tonight, guys. It's Crusaders week, baby. Nick is at Austin. We're gonna be shooting some crazy content over there. He's gonna be sending it. We're gonna be posting it day in, day out. So you're gonna be getting all the live footage from Austin, Texas, and what's happening in Consensus and Decentral. But in the meantime, I'm going to be running the show here at 7:30 for the rest of this week, guys. Maybe we'll get a surprise visit from Nick some days this week. But nonetheless, we've got some massive news here, guys. Massive news for Bitcoin. Some good news and some bad news for Bitcoin, depending how you want to take it. We've also got some massive news from Epic Games and Gala. If you know, you know. If you don't, you're about to find out. You got some big news. It was just when you think DeFi is dead, something happens to make you redeem itself, right? To redeem DeFi and make you give you some hope that DeFi is coming back, right? With a vengeance. There's still hope for DeFi and Ethereum. Some nice, spicy news for Ethereum and Ethereum's price action. We're all going to be covering all of this. Make sure you stay tuned for the Bitcoin and Ethereum news later in the show, guys. First, I just want to say, once again, thank you all you guys for joining in here. Smash the likes. If you're not catching Frankie Candles from 5:30 to 7:30 every day at BitBoy's channel and at Frankie Candles, I don't know what you're doing, guys. Go check out the TA, Frankie Candle Mafia in the house every day, all day. Huge supporter of the channel. Definitely go check out Frankie Candles, guys. For now, let's jump into the markets, see how the markets are doing, guys. Let's see how the markets are doing today. I've been seeing a little bit of green all around, right? A little bit of green. People are excited. People are hyped up for the markets. Are we back, right? Are we back? We're up 3% to 1.28 trillion market cap overall. Bitcoin up 4.6%, guys. 4.6%. Well, yeah, tongue-tied there for a minute. Ethereum was a little bit higher earlier today at 1,900, but facing a little bit of resistance, up 2%. Everything else, 6%. Cardano up to 60 cents, guys. Cardano making moves, man, making moves. Solana up 8%, and everything else 4%, give or take here and there. 4%. So a little bit of green. We've obviously have had a little bit of a pullback as the day went by. So let's jump into the charts and see how the charts are actually looking here. Let's jump into the charts real quick and let's get it. Let's see. I'm going to show you guys what I was telling you guys last week that was happening with Bitcoin, and it's been playing out. But we'll see how that goes. We will see how that goes. So over here we can see I haven't even changed it, right? I made this volume profile here happen. We got this point of control. Bitcoin has been going up and down and respecting this point of control. And it's almost like a triangle, right? This heart line from the regression trend that we have, that we've been in this trend forever. I'm going to take off these quarterly pivots right now so it's not so confusing. We've been in this regression trend on the way down the whole way since about October, November, November-ish time. So we zoom in here where we've been at the latest, and it's almost like if you draw this red line all the way over here to this heart line, it's like a little triangle, right? And normally these continuation patterns would mean that it would drop lower, but we are breaking out. I told you last week that it would only take a few more days before we reach that, that pivot, that wedge triangle part, and would have to do something, either break up or break down. Right now, we're breaking up. We broke all the way up to 31,755 before seeing some resistance to come back down. Obviously, you saw what happened here at this hard line last time. We've got a spinning top, and we came right back down. Can we close above here on the daily and keep on moving up? Or is this a bull trap, right? There's a lot of people out there thinking that we're setting up for a bull trap, maybe even a pump up to 35, 36, and then having another capitulation. And we're going to be covering that on why something like that could be happening. Some people are thinking this is the bottom and we're ready to come back up. Other people think that it is not the bottom just yet, and we could be dropping back down lower, even possibly to the lower 20s still in play, guys. So for the first up, guys, Epic Games, NFTs, they're making moves, right? If you don't know what Epic Games is, Epic Games, it's kind of like a Steam, but it's a rival to Steam where you can download games, you can download Apex, you can download I believe Fortnite, you can download a lot of games from there, and they're massive, right? They're competing with Steam. Steam said last year that they're getting rid of play to earn NFT games. Epic Games said, "Good luck, Steam. We're not." And now the moves have been happening. So let's cover what game is coming to Epic Games right now. What game, a play to earn game, along with Gala. So let's jump into that right now, guys. Let's get it because it's hot. It is hot news right now. Big news for all the play to earn games. Just getting more and more attention, guys. So let's jump into it here real quick and let's get it. Epic Games Store's first NFT game is Gala's Wild West Shooter. This one's gonna be a banger. So Gala Games plans a Web3 flag in the popular PC marketplace Epic Games Store with plans to roll out its Battle Royale game. You all know how important and not trivial, how important and trending is the word, trending are Battle Royale games, and they are massive. And now it's gonna be a play to earn. So here we go. Let's get into it. Gala Games Grit, a Wild West themed battle royale game, will be the first Web3 game on the Epic Games Store. Grit will feature user-owned NFTs. Rival marketplace Steam has banned NFT games. Man, what a mistake. What a mistake. I feel like they're doing the Toys R Us. They're doing the Sears. They're not staying up to date with Web3, and they're not going to make those pivots. And if they don't, it might be too late for them, and eventually they're going to die out to marketplaces and competitors that did make the pivot to the online world, aka now is Web3. So when leading PC game marketplace Steam banned Web3 games with NFT or crypto hooks last October, rising rival Epic Games Store claimed that it would remain open to such games. Right? Open thinkers, right? Open-minded people that can foresee. They have the vision, baby. They have the vision of what these games are going to bring to the table. And now, which game will be the first Web3 title to appear on Epic's platform? Today's Gala's game announced that its Wild West themed Battle Royale Grit would be the first NFT-powered game to launch via Epic Game Store. Grit will be a free-to-play online multiplayer for Windows PC players, and it will feature user-owned NFT assets that can be purchased, resold, and utilized within the game. Very important. Guys, if you don't know what Gala is, go look up Gala. Gala has been making massive amounts of games, high-end games, and they're only going to be making more and more. The future of Gala looks very, very bright. They're doing tons of work in the metaverse, free-to-play, play-to-earn, all the stuff of video games and NFTs being combined. Gala is a force to be reckoned with, not just as a crypto, but as a company, as what they're doing, as what they're bringing to the table. We're only at the infancy stage, guys, the infancy stage of what play to earn and NFT and metaverse games are going to bring to the table. So an NFT is a blockchain token that proves ownership of various items and is often used for digital goods such as artwork, collectibles, game assets for video games. Look, this is like a screenshot of the game. It looks real nice. It looks like Red Dead Redemption. If you guys know Red Dead Redemption, then you already know, right? So the game is going to be including avatars, vehicles, weapons, apparel, virtual land plots. Interesting. Gala will release 10,000 player avatars for Grit, offering a unique look and customization elements to owners. The firm will offer the avatars via a gunslinger box sale, which begins this week. Whoa. This week at the Publishers Galaverse event in Malta. That event has been off the hook from what I've been seeing. Grit looks to be a Fortnite-like experience with a large number of players dropped into a free-for-all battle to the death, a bit with a distinctive Western aesthetic. It's due out later in 2022, runs on Epic Games' own Unreal Engine. Guys, if you guys know anything about gaming, Unreal Engine amazing engine to build games on. Amazing. The things that small studios and small developers can do on Unreal Engine is mind blowing. On top of that, Fortnite like experience, right? Fortnite. If you know Fortnite, even if you don't play Fortnite, I'm sure you've heard of Fortnite. Your kids have played Fortnite. Somebody you know plays Fortnite and talks about Fortnite, and you've seen TikToks about Fortnite. Fortnite is huge. Huge game, right, for younger generations and some older generations as well. And that type of experience, that battle royale kind of game, is going to be massive, massive. So if they can do just a little bit of what Fortnite has done, plus the fact that it's going to be NFT based, where you're going to possibly make some money with NFTs, buying and selling, who knows, it is going to be huge, guys. Fortnite makes a boatload of money, and they're not selling you any NFTs. They're selling you in-game, microtransactions with, some wearables and whatever, and you don't even own those. In this game, you actually will own these items, will own plots of land, will own a lot of different things. So I'm blown away by this game, because even though I might not be a big player of this game, I think that this game will bring a ton of people to the table, a ton of people into Web3, a ton of people into the gaming experience with these NFTs, and it's going to be a game changer. It only takes this one game to blow it up, and then everybody that doesn't even know what an NFT is going to want one. It only takes one, guys. So, guys, I want to take a quick pause here to say, hey, thank all of you guys for coming in here, guys. It's Monday night. You can be anywhere else, but you're here. So smash the likes, guys. Smash the likes. I really greatly appreciate if you guys smash the likes. And guys, by the way, 50% of people that watch the channel are not even subscribed. Come out of the darkness, guys. Come out of the shadows. Smash the likes, subscribe, drop a comment on the chat. I want to see your guys' names. I want to see you guys interacting. I want to feel the love, guys. Come on. And if you haven't joined the Danger Close Alpha Discord just yet, you're missing out, guys. Tomorrow we're doing a Twitter space at 9 p.m. Eastern time. It's going to be fire. We just got some fire art from our artist. It's going to be crazy. We're doing a free mint later this month, beginning of next month. That's right. You heard it. Free mint, guys. Free. It's going to be a token layer ecosystem for our ecosystem in general. So it's going to be a foundational layer for the Danger Close Alpha ecosystem. Do not miss out on this free mint, guys. You will regret it. So let's keep on moving on with DeFi. DeFi is on the table now, and Binance, bringing some hope back into DeFi, and DeFi coming back to life here. So showing the people that DeFi is not dead, and DeFi will come back with a vengeance, and obviously is being proven by the dollars that's being invested into DeFi right now. So let's get into it here, guys. Binance Labs makes undisclosed strategic investment in PancakeSwap. Typo right there, but Binance Labs has announced a strategic investment in PancakeSwap's governance and utility token Cake. Binance, nice pancakes right here. I'm starving. I haven't even had dinner yet. That's right, guys. I come to this show to you guys first before I even have dinner. So Binance Ventures Capital and Incubation Arm announced its investment in Cake, the utility governance token of decentralized exchange, aka DEX, of PancakeSwap. The undisclosed investment is part of the entity's mission to facilitate the next wave of global blockchain adoption by providing technology, development, marketing, for Web3. Guys, Binance is huge. They're putting money into PancakeSwap, their largest DEX for DeFi purposes. DeFi is not dead. DeFi will continue to grow. DeFi will come back bigger and stronger. Next cycle comes around. And obviously, Binance knows this. Binance knows that decentralized exchanges and DeFi is a huge future of cryptocurrencies. And this is why they're investing in it, to make sure that their ecosystem continues to grow, right? And makes Binance Coin, BNB, which was one of the top 5 coins that I talked about last week for June. And I don't think it's for June only. I think it's for long term. It's going to be huge for Binance Coin in general. So launched in 2020, PancakeSwap is an automated market maker, yada, yada. We don't need to talk about that. Everybody knows you can trade, you can swap, you can stake, you can do all kinds of crazy things in the Binance, and for small fees, guys. So according to Binance Labs, PancakeSwap is currently the network's biggest decentralized app, aka DApp, with over 400,000 daily active users in terms of total value locked. TVL, guys. Learn these acronyms. TVL. On the platform, DeFi Llama reports that platform currently boasts $4.2 billion, making it BNB's chain's most valuable application of application two. Who is this spam caller calling me right now? I'm in the show, man. Don't be bothering me. So, boasting 387 million in trading volume over the past 24 hours, PancakeSwap B2, the latest iteration of the protocol, is now the third largest DEX behind Uniswap. So, the largest DEX on Binance Coin, the third largest DEX overall in the crypto space behind Uniswap and DYDX, only per coin market cap. So, very, very interesting, guys. Great, interesting news here about Binance Coin investing, not Binance Coin, Binance Labs investing into PancakeSwap, making sure that, aka the DeFi market, is not going anywhere, that their market and their ecosystem continues to grow stronger and stronger. And PancakeSwap, man, it dropped during a time where a bunch of these food coins were coming out that were a massive memes and jokes and rug pulls, but PancakeSwap stuck through and made it its own and made its name, and now it's huge. PancakeSwap has survived. It is a survivor. I don't think PancakeSwap is going anywhere anytime soon. I think PancakeSwap is a serious competitor and obviously huge in the Binance ecosystem. And the ecosystem for Binance is only going to keep growing and growing. Binance Coin and Cake are those two coins that, like, they're like the Ethereum and the Matic, right? Like, they are doing things. They are making moves, and they're not going to go out without a fight. They're going to be here for a very, very long time, guys. Obviously, never financial advice. So now we're about to get into some of the juicy stuff, right? If you've ever bitten into a juicy steak and it's like medium rare, you get the juice. It's like, man, you just know that the rest of this steak is going to be delicious. Well, here we go, guys. We're going to get that small bite that's going to show you how delicious things are about to get for Bitcoin, right? So now we're getting into this Bitcoin news, some of the good stuff, some of the bad stuff, right? With your steaks, you got to eat your vegetables as well. Can't just eat steak alone. Some people do it, but I don't think that's very good for you. But I'm not a nutritionist, so what do I know? But none other. Let's get into it. Bitcoin and the inflows that are happening into Bitcoin right now are massive, guys. People are buying the dip. Let me just tell you, people are buying the dip. People don't care. Institutions don't care. Bitcoin is being bought up, and that's what we're going to be covering right here. So, weekly Bitcoin inflows totaled for $126 million as institutions keep buying the dip, baby. They're buying up all that dip. So, for a ninth straight week, Ethereum-based funds saw outflows. What does Ethereum-based funds have to do with Bitcoin? I don't know. More than $500 million has been invested in exchange-traded Bitcoin funds since the start of the year, with 126 million of it flowing into ETPs last week, according to CoinShares. But more broadly, digital asset investment products saw net inflows totaling 100 million last week. By the way, guys, if you haven't smashed the likes, baby. Come on, I'm bringing you some juicy news here. That's because the Bitcoin and multi-asset product inflows of 4.3 million were offset by investors pulling money out of Ethereum-based funds. Ooh, so they're pulling money out of Ethereum, they're putting it into Bitcoin. Apparently, everybody becomes a Bitcoin maxi during a bear market. Very interesting. Very interesting. Ethereum continues to suffer with another week of outflows totaling $32 million, wrote James Butterfield, CoinShares Director of Research. Ethereum has endured 9 straight weeks of outflows, implying enduring negative investor sentiment. Dun, dun, dun. JP Morgan coin is feeling the pain. Just kidding, guys. I love Ethereum, but there are some things we need to work out. So from our weekly fund reports, last week investors added to Bitcoin positions with 126 million in net inflows into a publicly traded Bitcoin products, with 2 consecutive weeks of net inflows across all crypto products. Investors are buying the dip. It shows that there's a stark contrast in sentiment among investors when it comes to the 2 most popular cryptocurrencies. So now let's go right into the other news, right? Because this is just the beginning. This is just to spice things up. Here we are with the real news of, sometimes maybe you're gonna have to eat some vegetables with this news. So with traders, right, we got this positive inflow into Bitcoin, but making some traders think that we're bottoming out. We're getting ready to skyrocket. Other people don't think so, and there's some other signs showing that we might not be bottoming. So let's get into this real quick. Traders think Bitcoin bottomed. Obviously, we're seeing some massive moves into $32,000 territory. So they think they've bottomed, but on-chain metrics point to one more capitulation event, baby. And in case you don't know what that means, it's that good. It's on the way down. That's right. It's going to take Bitcoin's about to take a massive dive here, guys. So the bull market euphoria that carried prices to new highs throughout 2021 has given way to bear market of any Bitcoin buyers who made a purchase in January 21. Blah 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 blah. Let's get into the good stuff. Buyers are now underwater, guys. By the way, if you are underwater, if you did buy the top for Bitcoin, it's only a local top, right? It's only a local top. If you look at all the charts, all the chart of Bitcoin, everyone that's bought a top, eventually that top gets way surpassed and it becomes a local bottom. So don't be afraid. Hang on tight. Obviously, not financial advice, but Bitcoin is a long-term play. If you're in Bitcoin for short-term gains, you're not doing it right, guys. So let's get into it. The market is gearing up for a final capitulation event. So we have this chart here. We're seeing the unrealized profit and loss. We saw the fog around the world crash, how we capitulated all the way down here, extended bear market capitulation, right? And then we started to have a rally. Now we're coming back at this red line right here, this dotted red line, and we're playing with this. Are we going to break lower below that and go into a capitulation event, right? That's when it gets red. Right now we're orange. We're at the hope and fear, right? So we're going to figure out if we're going to go red. It looks like every other single time that we've either gone below it, we've eventually hit the red. So it means we're going to go to capitulation. Let's get into it. Based on previous capitulation events, if a similar move were to occur at the current levels, the price of Bitcoin could drop into the price range of 20,560 to 25,700. A lot of people have been calling for these levels in a full-scale capitulation scenario. The market is in a search for the bottom of the bottom. With the crypto market clearly trading in bear market territory, the question on everyone's mind is, where is the bottom? El bottom. ¿Dónde está? Yo no sé. Vamos a encontrarlo. On one metric that can help provide some possible guidance is the Mayer multiple, an oscillator that tracks the ratio between price and the 200-day moving average. So as you can see here, right, every time we've hit this Mayer multiple, which is this red line, we have eventually started to come back up, right? But every time we've broken below this yellow line, we've hit this red line eventually. So that means we come back down lower. We have broken below the yellow line, and we're hitting the red line, kind of sitting right above it or kind of hitting it. So are we going to start bouncing back, right? We don't know, guys. In previous bear markets, oversold or undervalued conditions have coincided with the Mayer multiple falling in the range of 0.6 through 0.8, according to Glassnode. That is precisely the range where Bitcoin now finds itself. So could this be it, guys? Could this be the bottom, or are we going to get lower? We're about to find out. Based on the price action from the previous bear markets, the recently traded range of Bitcoin between 25,000 and 33,000 lines up with the B phase of the previous bear market cycles and could mark the low of Bitcoin in the current cycle. The Bitcoin realized price model also offers insight into what a potential price bottom for Bitcoin could be, with the current reading provided by Bitcoin data provider Look Into Bitcoin, suggesting the realized price for Bitcoin is 23,601 as of June 5th. So it's basically saying that every time it's hit this yellow line, that's been about the bottom, and it could go a little bit lower. So give or take, they're looking at 23,000 being the total bottom. Combining these two metrics suggests that the low could be 23,000. So here comes the capitulation event. The capitulation event. Here it comes, right? The miners, guys. The miners. Selling in the current market conditions has largely dominated by short-term hodlers, similar to the behavior that was seen during the two previous extended bear markets, where long-term holders held more than 90% of profits in the market. But let's jump quickly into the minor news, right? Into the minor news, because this is important. This is what the capitulation event is coming from that people are starting to fear. So here it is. Whoop, give me a second here. Yep, we are good to go. So Bitcoin mining revenue tanks by 56%. Will Bitcoin miners hold or sell? This is the capitulation event. Miners are in control here, guys. So on-chain analytics platform Glassnode reports in newsletter that Bitcoin miners revenue has continued to drop while production costs are surging. Not good. You don't want production costs surging as profits are dropping, because you're going to have to sell. You're going to have to pay electricity. You're going to have to pay the bills. So let's see what's happening here. As market conditions stay bearish and long-term holders suffer losses, BTC miners add to the selling pressure. Oh no, here come the vegetables, guys. If you don't like broccoli, you're about to get a mouthful. With the use of market metric called the Puell multiple, a valuation tool that calculates the ratio of daily issuance value of Bitcoin and USD to the 365-day moving average of this value. Guys, this is all complicated stuff. Just stick with me. We're about to get into the heart of this broccoli stem. At a later stage of a drawn-out bear market where capitulation could take place, the Puell multiple plunges to sub 0.5. I don't know if that's negative 0.5 or just 0.5 zone. Presently, this metric sits at 0.66, a crucial point that could lead to capitulation range. Oh no. According to analysis done by Glassnode, miner balances are reducing and miners are spending extra. The miner net position change currently indicates an aggregate miner balance reduction between 5,000 and 8,000 Bitcoin monthly. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. This goes to show an alteration in miner behavior, right? Miners hold on to their Bitcoin when they're massive in the profits. They're not selling. But now when things are coming down, they're adding some selling pressure, bro. They're adding some selling pressure. Their balance, which had previously seen a buildup of around 12,000 Bitcoin during the first drawdown from all-time high, Bitcoin miners have, however, been adding to Bitcoin's selling pressure. Analysis show since Luna, LFG sold over 80,000 Bitcoin. That's a boatload of Bitcoin that got crashed with the whole Luna situation. Bitcoin mining pressure due to incoming decline. Ay, 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 candelita. Data suggests that miners' activities have grown immensely. The cost of production has surged. Capital is being pumped into the industry. However, mining revenue is declining significantly. The market currently trades between a weekly high of 31,900 and a low of 29,375. The first sign of a green market following 9 weeks of a red market. Continuous doubt and stress in the market has led to reliance on long-term holders. Yes, everyone is relying on long-term holders, that's for sure. Mining is now more expensive. Rewards offered in USD continue to drop and may lead to a potential minor capitulation cycle ahead. So this is why people think that this could be the reason why Bitcoin drops down to 23,000, 20,000, right? If the miners continue to sell or take a massive amount of Bitcoin off and they do sell it, the selling pressure will be immense and it will start crashing the price. But we're going to find out, right? We're going to find out. Are we in the summer lullaby? Is June going to be the month? Is July going to be the month? We're about to find out here soon, guys, what is going to happen with Bitcoin. But worst case scenario, even if we were to drop and crash into 20 or lower, I don't think we're going to go lower than 20. I really don't think so. But some people are calling for it. If we do, I definitely, dude, Bitcoin's a long-term hold. Long-term investment. That's how you make your money, right? You can make money if you're a day trader, but the majority of people aren't. And you're going to be selling bottoms and buying tops the whole way through, trying to become a trader when you don't have the skills to be a trader just yet. So if you want to be a trader, have a trader portfolio, but make sure you have a HODL long-term portfolio. That's where the money is, right? That's what 401ks are. 401ks are long-term HODL portfolios. You put money into it. Every month, every paycheck, you pay money into it, and at the end of your career, you cash out a big check, right? And you've been dollar cost averaging your whole way through. treat Bitcoin the same exact way. Guys, if you're not smashed the likes yet, smash the likes. Come on, smash the likes, guys. It doesn't cost you anything, and it really helps the channel out. Greatly, greatly appreciate it. And if you haven't joined Danger Close Alpha, I don't know what you're waiting for, guys. We're having a Twitter space tomorrow night at 9 p.m. Eastern. We're going to be dropping some good sauce in there about the project, about the free mint, and maybe even start to show. Obviously, we can't show that in the Twitter space, but we can show it in the Discord. Some new glimpses of what the art is going to be looking like, guys. So make sure you're jumping into the Discord to check out the art, check out all the updates, and get into these Twitter spaces. So here in the chart, Crypto Billy, 401ks equal fake news, junk. 100% agree. There is no better 401k than Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the 401k of the future. If you're just investing in 401ks and not investing into Bitcoin long term, I don't know what you're doing, but I think you're doing it backwards, right? Bitcoin is going to conserve your wealth and make it grow steadily. 401k stocks, it's fugazi. Fugazi. Obviously, never financial advice. But before we sign off here, we got some more news. More news for Ethereum holders, right? We got some bad news for Ethereum a little earlier, saying that money was coming out of Ethereum. But we got some good news for Ethereum as well. That might be saying the opposite of what that other article is saying. So check it out, guys. Check it out. Here we go. We're about to hit the news for Ethereum. So make sure you stay tuned, guys, and figure this news out. Here we are. 666 million in Ethereum shorts liquidation spotted as price soars nearly 6%. I don't like this number. There's a lot of sixes here. 6%. I think that they were trying to do something here that I honestly do not like. You guys already saw when we were in the Discord and we had 666 members. We had to sacrifice a lamb. We can't stay at that number. We either got to surpass that number or be below that number. But we don't want that number anywhere around here. So Ethereum, according to the data from Crypto Quant CoinGlass earlier today, a staggering $666 million worth of Ethereum shorts positions were crushed, aka liquidated, as the price of the second largest cryptocurrency has added a nearly 6% today, printing several consecutive green hourly candles on the chart, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Nobody's going to take Ethereum for the ride here. We're going to crush these bears. A CryptoQuant chart has showed by, I don't know even say that name, on his Twitter page that 666,368,000 positions on ETH shorts got destroyed. 3-year all-time high according to CryptoQuant. The traders who opened these short positions bet against the growth of Ethereum. They found out today, don't mess with Ethereum, and their leverage trades were automatically liquidated, baby. Damn, that's gotta hurt. Feeling the burn, the Ethereum burn. That joke. Bringing them sequential losses. According to the CryptoQuant, this is a 3-year all-time high. The largest amount of trades was liquidated on Bitfinex. Per another tweet in the thread, the Ethereum price has risen from 1,800 to 1,900 level within few hours. Obviously, it's pulled back since then. We're back in the 1,800 levels, but it was a nice pump nonetheless. In the meantime, mid and large-sized Ethereum investors keep coming into the ecosystem. Glassnode has reported the amount of wallets holding over 32 ETH has surged to a 13-month high. Holy smokes, reaching 111,353 wallets. As for the number of wallets holding 1,000 plus ETH, it has grown to 6,269, reaching a 1-month high. So people are still stacking ETH, man. Still stacking ETH. You don't want to bet against ETH, the largest smart contract NFT platform, DeFi. I mean, they've got it all. Yes, they've got problems. Yes, they've got high gas fees, but everybody wants to be on Ethereum, and we're going to be on Ethereum, baby. We're going to be on Ethereum within your close alpha. Make sure you guys are getting into the free mint. Make sure you guys are getting into the Discord. You don't want to miss out this free mint later this month in a few weeks. Time, guys. Time is going by faster than you think. We're already in the first week of June. We've got 3 to 4 weeks left before this NFT drop happens. You don't want to miss out on this free mint. Could be the next Goblins. Could be the next Goblins, guys. The next Goblins. Check out the Goblins floor price. It's like 7 ETH or something like that. Something ridiculous. It has no utility, no nothing. we're going to be bringing nothing but utility. Nothing but utility. We're going to overload and overdose you on utility. That's what I'm talking about. And the art, it's going to be dope, dude. It's going to be fire. I'm going to show you once again just a small sneak peek of what some of the art is looking like. Some of the art is looking like. Here it is, guys. Look at this art, guys. Look at this art. This is just a sneak peek. This is not a finished product, guys, of what the art is going to look like. Check this one out over here. Check this out. Oh, what's this going on over here? The fold? We haven't heard a lot about the fold. DCA? Medical? Supplies? Cars with no wheels? Interesting. What's going on in this picture? A lot of Easter eggs in this picture, guys. Go check it out in the Discord. Don't miss out on this mint. Don't miss out. This is just gonna be this is just the first mint of many, right? We're dropping a free stimulus drop for you guys. Free stimulus drop. Then we're coming out with the bug out bag. Only the first movers, the first people to bug out, will be rewarded heavily with a lot more utility than anything else. And then we're going to hit you with chapter 1, right? This is a chapter 1 of the story of what Danger Close is about, of what the movement, right? What this movement is about. We'll only be dropping chapter 1 so far. And then we have way bigger plans. Things are going to skyrocket on how big and crazy things are about to get. I mean, I can't tell you. I literally can't tell you. I'll tell you after chapter 1. Once you guys are in chapter 1, then we can tell you what is coming for the next couple of chapters, because it's going to be wild. If you think The Walking Dead escalated quickly, if you think World War Z escalated quickly, this movement is going to escalate quicker than any of those things, and it's going to do some crazy things to help you prepare and get the skills you need to survive and get ready for any scenario, from natural disasters all the way to government tyranny. What better utility than that, guys? Freedom, right? Freedom. That's what this project is about. Incentivizing freedom and preparedness to defend that freedom. So, guys, if you haven't smashed the likes, smash the like. If you haven't shared out the live, share it. If you haven't joined the Discord, come on, guys. Join the Discord. But like always, question everything, trust nothing. And until next time, huddle like it's hot. See you guys in the Discord.